You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go! You ain't gonna be able to sue.
So now, can I talk about what we talked about earlier?
Yeah, I mean, I guess. I don't know. I think that's why Twork ain't saying that niggas don't want to say nothing.
What we talked about earlier?
You ain't with niggas.
Nah, I told Uncle Rod, as long as you beat Verb, I'm gonna take you next, man. But I ain't, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna jump the gun and then I got you winning, but you know, anything can happen.
Listen, man, Verb, he gonna have to. He doing a lot of talking, man.
But that's good though, right? Sells the fight.
He gonna have to come. That shit gonna look crazy though. I go in there and wild out and he's all of that shit. I don't do that shit. I understand selling the fight, but I don't. That shit just be extra to me.
I wasn't even talking about Verb. I was actually talking about y'all.
Oh,
Yeah,
man.
but you just said what you did. You just said your DNA. What was you talking about earlier?
Well, but he went to another subject. Like you,
that was the subject. You said he said Verb there.
if you beat Verb, then he's gonna allow you to battle him.
No, you see how he trying to twist it for the end.
If I'm gonna be Verb, I'm gonna be Verb, and I'll beat him too.
Nah,
like,
nah, he, you know.
Because he did say like if they want to battle you, they ain't like you know
listen
they have
though,
to
me
battle you, so.
beating Verb, that's. Then I look at me beating him like that shit ain't about nothing. Like, you know what I'm saying?
You said something to that effect too. Or was it if Verb doesn't beat him, there's no way that he's going to be able to battle you?
Yeah. My whole thing. Me and Twork is a bigger battle than him and Verb. No disrespect to Verb.
How do you feel about that?
You know what?
I mean, for reasons like him being the PG killer, I ain't even gonna put the quotation in there because the niggas did beat like the people. Like, that shit ain't got nothing to do with me. Like, I'm a whole different type of nigga. Like, you feel me? So,
why you gonna go with him?
I'm letting him talk.
I'm not done with you either.
But when you talk to me, you put the camera on him, let him get his shot because he's
Why you
not.
yelling at me?
You know what?
I just don't feel like ain't nothing wrong with that shit. Like, I'm a rookie.
Let him get
I
his
would
shot.
consider myself a
It's my
rookie.
time to talk to him. I put the spotlight on him.
Well, I mean, I ain't a vet.
You always got the spotlight on him.
Yeah, me too though. I'm a PG killer.
I don't think you're a rookie no
See the
more.
waves.
I mean, I don't know what's in the middle there.
What?
I don't know either.
Exactly.
Yeah,
So you feel me? A vet.
What are you
what's in the
talking
middle
about?
of a vet and a
You still
rookie?
consider him a rookie?
I consider myself a rookie.
Twork.
because I'm not a vet, but look, I'm not a vet.
You're not a
so it's
vet.
like,
You are
what the fuck?
Right, put it like this.
That's what he said was in the middle.
top tier, I think,
Yeah,
right?
he reached his way. He reached his way at the stages of top tier. Because a vet, necessarily, you don't got to be top tier to be a vet. A vet just come from experience. That's what that is.
Right.
So he's not a vet because of experience.
Right.
But he could be top tier and battle 4 years.
Yes.
Exactly.
Is that possible?
In my book, it is because there be niggas that
that's what I
play in
want
the
to know
NBA
too.
for 20 years and
Niggas
say
change the
vets, but
rules
they
on
not
battle every
superstars.
year, B. They change how to do shit every year. What makes what? Every year, right?
But that's a perfect example in my book.
Yeah.
You get what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm saying that, not DNA. That's me saying that. But I'm just saying, like, he's kind of right to that extent because there is niggas that been around for years.
And they vet, but they not top tier.
Like, they've been doing this, but they haven't got that.
Because you gotta think top tier means you at the top of the chain. A vet just means you've been doing it for a while. So niggas in the NBA that played on the bench for 20 years, they vet because they more experienced than a nigga that just got in the league. But that don't mean they superstar.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put him on the spot.
What up? 15 minutes of fame, Uncle Rod. You already know.
Knowledge to God, hip hop is real.
What up?
You
Swave,
gotta spin that camera. We all
Twork,
up here, though.
Word.
You know what I mean?
DNA,
You know the vibes.
Tay-Rock.
Oh, yeah.
Word.
How do we label these guys? Can you label each one of these guys?
Yeah,
Let's start with Swave.
OG legend.
Yeah, he's
OG legend.
that's a fact.
Okay. How about Twork?
The nicest, newest nigga in the game. Doing it at his level.
I agree with that.
That's like a sentence. If you had to pick a word, like the
Like top tier legend.
yeah, like a
vet?
term.
Fucking all-star level nigga.
I like that.
I don't even know how to, like, it's not.
I hear that.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
Yeah. He's new. He's still too new, though.
That's
Twork
what I'm
is still
saying,
too
like,
new.
but he's
Still too
as
new,
far
like, you know
as
what I
out
mean?
of everybody, like, if we talking like the last past 2 years, he's the
See,
he's
this is
the
what I look at.
most
This is how I look at it.
fastest rising star.
Yeah.
You get what I'm
got your-
saying?
you got
Like,
your vets?
since T-Top and Bridge.
Since T-Top and Bridge,
He's
that's a
the
fact.
next rising star that's on that level.
Because Chess came in
You
that
know what
way
I'm
too.
saying? Chess too.
Yeah.
Chess too, but he kind of like.
I know what you're saying.
You know what I mean? But Twork
that's
is
the
more
fastest-
consistent than Chess.
Fastest
You know what I'm
rising
saying?
battle
Like,
rap, my nigga.
Yeah.
Like, yeah, at least
Yeah,
one
that's
of
a
the
fact.
fastest. facts. That's a fact.
So what are we doing with DNA?
I look at it like this.
DNA,
He's the legend. He's up there. He can't be not beat.
DNA's
You get what I'm saying?
Legend.
New level legend. I like that.
The shit that DNA do. Real talk. That's real talk.
But it's not even.
It's like, no, you know why you say that?
Yeah.
You know why you say that? Because DNA came in when he was young.
Yes.
And now he's at the game. This nigga's doing shit.
He been in there longer
niggas
than
ain't
a lot of
seen.
the old heads.
And then now you got it, like the way DNA switched it
And
up.
I was
how
there.
niggas
I was there at his
saying he
beginning.
battled too much.
I was in like the 9th grade when I seen this nigga rap. No funny.
That's crazy.
I was there in his beginning.
Yeah, that's a fact. First
I
battle
fought
I
for
ever
DNA.
had. Swave
I fought for that
Years before me, like not
I
years
fought
before
for that
I've
nigga.
been battling, but as far as like URL, he's been around in that light way before me. You get what I'm saying? Like he was on grind time. He's
Right.
done shit that I haven't even
young
done.
nigga too,
You get what I'm
15,
saying?
14,
Countries that I
15.
haven't even been in, he's been in and battled in. So that's just legendary shit. You get what I'm saying? Like
So what we doing with Rock?
Rock is that
that's
new GOAT.
I would consider myself.
Rock the hottest nigga on URL.
URL. That's mine.
Yo, look, right
Yo,
here.
Rock is a legend. That nigga been killing niggas since he was 16. Look at the tapes.
You feel me?
Don't discredit those. You feel me?
Is URL. No
Yeah,
funny shit. Like,
yeah, that's a fact.
that's URL. Like
That's a fact.
off the rip.
Tay-Rock
Hands down.
Tay-Rock just knows how to you actually wrote the blueprint on how to actually get it done. Like how to stay consistent and
Fact.
stay hungry.
Never
all the
seen a
time.
nigga choke.
That's
ever.
it. You just stay hungry. Any new nigga, anybody put you against,
love, so yeah.
they know they gonna get probably one of the best Tay-Rocks. It don't fucking matter who you just
yeah,
battle.
When I think of URL, that's the first name I think of. Like no funny shit. Like, you say URL,
Tay-Rock.
Tay-Rock.
Right.
It just
Right.
coincide with each other. Like you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm
See,
saying?
that's good though, Uncle Ryan. You gotta do shit like this. Niggas
See,
always bashing niggas.
the word I would use, the word I would use to describe
Nah,
a nigga like
That's what the
Twork.
fans want to see. Though. They want to see us like
That's why I said
at each
all-star.
other.
You know what I mean?
That's why I said all-star.
Like that's the word. That's the word I would use to describe a nigga like Twork. Elite.
Yeah.
Cause you could be elite and still not be a top 10, but you could be one of the deadliest niggas for that ever right there. You know what I mean?
He's
So that's why I'm taking steps.
destined. He's destined to be a top
Elite is just
10.
who you are. It's
Right.
what you is.
That's a fact.
And he's one of the niggas that
Who was I? What was
they're
I
gonna
just
mention
watching the
him
other day, bro?
with
I
top
just sent
10s.
you. I was
His name is gonna get
watching,
mentioned with the greats.
Like
I was
LeBron in his
watching
rookie
the
year.
Jason
He was
Tatum.
elite coming in the league.
He's
He
elite.
was mentioned with Kobe.
Right.
His rookie year. You feel me?
But you
I
niggas
was
are
just
taking
watching you
over
and JC.
that whole y'all taking over the new generation of y'all the new Luxes in the new moves.
Yeah, but then you can't even.
No, I'm just saying, but in a sense, for where we put them at, y'all niggas is the ones who's taking it. When it comes
But
to
I
the
really know
sport.
why I say that's different though. The reason why I don't say put that because that's like how niggas say when Wilt Chamberlain and Bill Russell was playing the game. Now I'm not saying that at their age. I'm talking about the era of
Yeah,
what
I
they
know
did.
what
Like
you're
Mook stamped just because he the first nigga that ever came to it on a personal level of I'm getting at you. When I'm battling, I got 3 rounds. That's for you. I'm handcrafting them. They personal. So he's a legend off of making that blueprint.
That's him.
Lux too, because Lux was one of the first entrepreneurs that made his own league when Smack stopped and did the Lions Den. But in terms of like nigga, me, Rock, Surf, Hollow, Clips, Swave, or I'm Arsenal. I'm missing. We
That's
the
what
wave
he's
of where
saying,
that
though.
shit went to
Yeah.
venues where this shit commercial. So it's like it's two. Like in hip hop, it's really not 2 different eras because it's Cool G Rap, Busy B, KRS-One, and then it was already the industry. The industry just advanced. Like battle rap just switched to some whole other shit.
Okay.
Because it's niggas from that era that can't even get on the stage and do what we was
y'all do,
doing.
bro.
We seen it, and then we seen niggas that still know how to adapt.
Let me ask y'all something. As vets, what's the difference in battle rap when y'all was coming up and then? Like, what do you think the difference is?
So there's a lot.
Yeah, a lot.
I know it's a big difference.
Like right now,
but I just
me and you
can't
could battle, no camera, and we can. You ain't got no written rounds for me. I ain't got no written rounds for you. That's just what battle rap was. Who had the better verses? You get what I'm saying? Like you could spit your verse. It could be a 16, 24, whatever.
I done
The
been
crowd
in
going
ciphers.
crazy. They
I
going
done been in
crazy.
ciphers
Like,
with 7 niggas, and then wind up me battling one nigga.
and that's how it be. Like it'll start off.
And everybody else get quiet on the side.
And you rapping, and Swave rapping, and I'm rapping, and then
Like, they
y'all,
came out of-
I might run out of raps, and
Right.
Swave might run out. Then next thing you know, it's just you and DNA, and we just watching. Now it's a battle. You know, that's how we used to do.
When
Like,
we started doing camera, I think the biggest thing is that niggas be seeing it and then not knowing how real, like you experience now how real that shit be, where a nigga will watch it, and I used to watch it and be like, man, as soon as I get in here, I'ma kill this nigga until you in the position, and then them niggas ain't fucking with you, and now you standing there like, what the fuck? Cause that be a thing. It be a lot of new niggas be nice. Like the talent don't be the question. It just be when you put in that situation.
You know what I think?
Are you ready to know what to do?
You know what I credit you for, and I can tell by how you write. A lot of these new niggas write to please the crowd. Like I ain't start out doing that. I started out writing just because I like what I like, and I will put it down and just try to make it as fly as possible. Nowadays, niggas is trying to create punchlines to please niggas. Like they trying to give
fan like, oh yeah, I like this person.
Instead of making a fan come to you, you go into the fan. You understand what I'm saying? You don't do that.
Yeah, not at all.
I noticed that, but a lot of these new niggas do that. They try to force feed the fans instead of letting the fans just absorb it and come to you. You know what I mean? That's the ever I came for. My fault.
Yo, one thing I wanted to ask Tay-Rock though, son, like with what you saying is like, yo, when you came up like with a hollow battle and you did the seatbelt line, when you wrote that shit, did you like, oh, these niggas about to fucking, or did you was just like,
it was one of those feelings like it wasn't like I knew they was gonna go that crazy, but when I wrote it, I knew I'm like, hold up, this is kind of, I'm like, this is kind of different. Like, if I do this right, I know it's gonna be different. I didn't know it was gonna be that crazy, but it came out that crazy.
I don't write shit that I think,
but I knew it was gonna be something special. Like when I wrote it, I'm like, hold up, that shit kind of different. Like, like just the whole
performance, my nigga. The nigga was like you was digging in that nigga hollow face. I'm like, oh, this
too loud back
it's not trying to be funny. The reason why you can't do that is because these niggas don't be, no disrespect, these niggas don't be knowing what they like.
Right.
Because there's been times I know I said some bullshit, but I said that shit with confidence and that shit is shaking in my mind. I'm like, 15 minutes of fame.
You are now listening to 15 Minutes of Fame Radio.
Let's go.